This is social media versus reality. First up, we have Huayang Lake in China. This lake is famous for its green-coated surface, and in reality, this lake exists and you can ride a boat on it. Thereafter is Sequoia National Park. Here you can find extremely tall and big trees. In reality, this forest holds up to its name, and you can see the biggest tree in the world here. Lastly, we have Socotra in Yemen. On this island, you can find these fancy trees, and in reality, this island exists, and you can see so much more than just these trees on it.